Hello, lovely friends. Welcome back to Create and Cook with Jimmy. So, today we are going to make breakfast potatoes. So, we have four medium sized potatoes cut and washed. And so, this is the size that I have the potatoes, very sizable. And we will use some herbs. So, we have here herb cilantro, herb parsley, and curly parsley, about half a cup. And we are going to use some washed and cut onions, about 1 cup. And today we'll be using some cheese. So we have here mozzarella cheese and Colby Jack cheese, about 1.5 cups. So we'll be using today some vegetables. So I have here some jalapenos, I have carrots, I have yellow peppers, orange peppers, all the bell peppers, and some garlic. And we'll use today some sausages. So we have 3 sausages that we're going to use, and some bacon, thick cut bacon. You can use any meat you have. And so today we are going to use some spices. So we have here some salt, nutmeg, we have some Italian spices, we have some paprika, and then we have other spices of your choice. So guys, use any spices that you have. And so I have about 5 tablespoons of oil and some Maggi, which I'm going to use half of it. And so let's start, guys.